Kelly from northern Mississippi has a question about a moisture problem.
No, truth is she lives here, but she's building there. And Kelly says she's building a walkout basement in her house there. And she says the outside was waterproof. Don't look yet. Hang on. The outside was waterproof before the area was backfilled. And now, a couple months later, she sees at least 5 places where the water has trickled through. Now you can look.
I see.
Yeah, you see it. Okay. The builder. We got a new monitor.
It's hideous.
We have this new monitor.
Turn away.
It's distracting. You know?
No, they're great pictures.
So anyway, the builder says a third French drain and gutters and grading will fix it, but she says I'm not convinced. So Tom Kelly wants to know why this moisture's happening and what you can do about it.
Well, first off, anytime you have a basement, you have to attack it from the outside, not the inside. A lot of people think they can paint something on there and it's going to keep the water from coming through.
But they did that. They treated the outside before they backfilled.
I know that.
Okay.
No, I understand.
All right.
And they're still building the house, which means final grading and stuff has not been done.
Okay.
So you got to give the builder a chance to come true to his promises. And it might be exactly that, because usually it is a drainage. It's gravel put around there. It's the final grade to keep everything away. The gutters come in at the end of the project. So basements can be difficult that way. You lived up north. You know, everybody always had a problem with a basement.
I had to explain to my wife, Sandy, who was born and raised in Texas, what a basement is. It's a room under the house. Yeah. I'm kidding. She knew.
And most of them are not nice. You go up to Maine and stuff, people say, oh, we have a basement.
Pretty skanky.
It's gross.
Yeah.
Yeah. Big spiders live down there.
Yeah. And in the house I grew up in Hampshire, we had a stone basement, so it was even creepier.
I had one of those in Lake
Placid down there. It's like,
my kids wouldn't go down there.
This is why Stephen King is such a great writer, because he grew up there and he knows about how creepy basements can be.
Yeah, they actually are, especially the old ones. Anyway,
where were we?
We got to give it to the builder,
okay,
and see if he can fix it. So don't doubt him yet.
So do you think it's possible then the grading and drainage could fix it then?
It's going to have to.
Okay.
Now, how much, we're going to find out.
Okay.
But it's the only way. They're still going to take a backhoe. They're going to dig up around the outside. It doesn't happen from the inside, so go ahead and get the house built as fast as you can and let him attack that until it's fixed.
There you go. You want it fixed? Write to us at HomeShowRadio.com. We'll take care of you. You can check out our videos over here. There's proof. And you subscribe to our channel, you get even more.